Hello, are you ready for another grammar lesson? Okay, so today we will be looking at another verb. We will be looking at verb to have. So to have means that you obtain something. Like right now, I have a marker. Like we looked at before, we have the subject I, meaning I. So whenever we use I and we're looking at the verb to have, we want to say I have. It is also the same when we use you, have, we, meaning us together, we have, and they. When we're talking about other people, remember they over there, have. So whenever you use I, you, we, or they, we will use have. Have will be the verb we use. So when we use he for a male, or she for a female, or it, meaning a thing, we want to use has. So he has, she has, or it has. So with verb to have, there are only two options. Have or has. Those are the only two we can use depending on the subject. So to review, I have, you have, we have, and they have. And then he has, she has, and it has. So let's look at some example sentences that I've put on the board. So I can say, I have brown hair. Brown hair. I have brown hair. You have glasses. We have two sisters. Or they have a dog. Woof, woof, woof. Okay, so he has black hair. She has 5 sisters. And it has brown fur. So if we're talking about the dog, we can say the dog. It has brown fur. Or brown dog hair. Brown fur is what we call dog hair. So if we look more closely at our example sentences, let me write one. I have brown hair. I have brown hair. So we can see we have our subject I, then our verb, have, and after this is going to be called a noun. So hair is a noun. And what a noun means, a noun can either be a person, it can be a place, or it can be a thing. So this means whenever we use the verb to have, we will always follow the same format. A subject, the verb have, and a noun. So in the other sentences that we have in our chart, we can see the subject, the verb have, and the noun pattern. You is our subject, have is our verb, and glasses, which are things, is a noun. Okay, so let's practice with some sentences. I have written a few on the board, and I left a blank where we need to put the verb. So remember, we have two options for the verb. Have is one option, and has is the other option. So the first sentence, I is the subject. What verb will we use every time we use I when we're looking at verb to have? Good. Have. I have shoes. The next one is he. Which verb do we have to use, have or has, when the subject is he? Good. Has. He has a brother. The next one is you. What verb do we need to use for you? Have or has? You have a car. Very good. They. Our subject is they. They have. Good. They have a cat. The next one, we. We is the subject. What verb can we put here? We have a house. Very good. And the last one, she. The last one is she. She is our subject. So what verb can we use? Good. She has. H-A-S. Green eyes. She has green eyes. Very good. So to review everything one more time, verb to have. We have two options, have or has. We use have when the subject is I, you, we, they. Some people over there plural. Has, we use he, singular male, she, singular female, and it, which is a thing. And remember, when we use to have, we need to put a noun after. So like here, I have shoes. I is a subject, have is the verb, and shoes is a noun because it's a thing. The same here. He has a brother. Subject, verb, noun. Very good.